So we are going to talk about N Sandhi. So this is a table which is going to be used for better understanding of N Sandhi. And we have this table, we have various columns. The first one is Purva Varnaha and second is Paravarnaha. And then we have this Adeshaha. Okay, so um, this will be understood, better understood when we get into the udaharanam, which means example. So let's get into this example. So we have a pitru artham, which is given in the example, where we need to just check if the yan sandhi can be applied um, among between these two words. So uh, let's get into the um, exercise. Okay, so we have Pitru and Artham. So I've just drawn a vertical line. Okay, so the Varna means letter, which is prior to this vertical line is Purva Varna. Okay, and then the one which is after this vertical line is Paravarna. Okay, so what we have to do is that in order to understand what is Purva Varna and Paravarna, if the uh, Varna is Gunita Aksharam, which means that if it is a combination of consonant and vowel, okay, so this Takaraha is consonant. So you know that consonant in Sanskrit is Vyanjanam, okay, and then we have the Swaraha, okay, which is called vowel, okay. So this tru is split or is a combination of Takara and Rikaraha. So now after the split, we know we could be able to determine what is the Purva Varnaha, which is Rikaraha. And Paura Varnaha anyway is a Swara, and there is no need for any split. So now we have to just go to this table and see if the conditions are being met so that the Yan Sandhi can be performed. Okay, so if both the conditions are met, then only the Yan Sandhi can be performed. So the Purva Varnaha is Rikaraha. So we have this Rikaraha in Purva Varnaha. So the condition 1 is met, and we have this Asavarna Swaraha. So it means that the Paravarnaha is a Swara again, which is not Rikaraha or Rikaraha. So this is Akaraha, so which means that it's a different Swara. Okay, different from Purva Varnaha. So first condition is met and second condition is also met, so we can perform Yan Sandhi. So let's see what is that given in the Adeshaka column for the corresponding conditions. Okay, so which is given as Repaha. So it means that the change which takes place, okay, is Repaha. So this is the replacement letter. So which letter will get replaced with Repaha is what we should know. So for that only, for easy understanding, there is a color coding which is given. Okay, so we have this Purva Varnaha coded with yellow color and Paura Varnaha with green, and then Adeshaka again with yellow color. So it means that this Paravarnaha will be replaced by the letter from Adeshaha, so which is Repaha. So the Purva Varnaha is Rikaraha, and which will get replaced by Repaha. So the remaining letters in both the words would be unchanged. So we have P, we have Takaraha, this Rikaraha gets changed to Repaha. This is the only change that takes place. Remaining things all same. Okay, so once this is done, then we have this Repaha and we have Akaraha. Okay, so these two have to be combined because these two are basically consonant and the vowel form. Okay, so when we combine these two, this becomes ra. Okay, so that is what is shown here. Okay, and then we have takaraha and repaha. We can combine these two, takara and repaha, to get a form like this, tra. Okay, so this should be pronounced as tra. So the final result is pitrartham. Pitru artham, when Yan Sandhi is performed on Pitru and Artham, it becomes Pitrartham. I hope this would have been clear to all of you. So let's get into another example to have a better understanding. Okay, so with a different varna. Okay, so we have Yadyapi. Okay, so Yadyapi, again similarly we will have to do here as well. So we have to identify which is Purva Varnaha, which is Paravarnaha, and then we have to check if the conditions are being met. When condition is met, then the change would take place. Okay, so let us write this Yakara has Yakaraha only. I mean, sorry, Yas Ya only, and the. This gets split into two because this is a Gunita Aksharam. Okay, this is a combination of Dakara and Ikara. So when these two things get merged, it becomes the, and we have api. So let us see if the conditions are being met. The Purva Varnaha, which is the vertical, the Varna which is prior to this vertical line is E. So we'll go to this table and see if E is there. Yes, it is there. So the condition 1 is met, and we will see if condition 2 is also met. So we have Akara here, and in condition 2 it should be Asavarnaswara, which means that it should not be E or E. So here it is A. So this condition is also met. So when these two conditions meet, then the Adesha will be applied. So where will this Adesha gets applied? We all know that, and it is also given in the color coding. So Purva Varnaha is replaced by the Adeshaka Varnaha which is mentioned in Adeshaka. So E becomes Yakaraha. So remaining things we have to write as it is. Ya Yid Yakaraha Api. Okay. So this Yakara and Akara will be combined as this is a consonant and next to consonant is vowel. So this becomes Ya. So remaining things let's write as it is. Ya Yid Ya Pi. Okay, so this may be written like this. Yad Ya Pi. Because Dakara and this Yakara, I mean Ya contains Yakara and Akara. So these two are Sanyukta Aksharam, so which may be written like this. Okay. So Ya Yid Ya Pi. So the form Yadi Api becomes Yadyapi when Yan Sandhi is applied. I hope it is clear to all of you.